No, and it gets real skinny in there. My grandson tried it.
I tried it, I could barely get out of it. The bad thing crawling in there is all the black. They got nowhere else to go. Yeah, I went through there once, only once. I had to like crawl out.
So splash around, I'm doing a video. Especially when there's zero chance for rain. Tucson water slides. You know that water's dirty, right? You know that water's dirty, right? It's pretty darn dirty. Probably cat poop and dog poop and squirrel poop.
Here.